So I gotta dig out this entryway for some 3x5 rock to get delivered here. I'm just moving the construction entrance from down over there over to here, so that way the superintendent has quicker access to his trailer. So I just got to take out about 6 inches of that topsoil and grass, all that off to the side. So got the entrance cut out, ready for the 3x5. Now it's just a matter of getting the 3x5 delivered here and placing it where I need it. Well, I thought it was going to be 3x5 rock. Clearly, I was wrong. Why they want to use this for a construction entrance material when there is clearly welded wire fabric in it is beyond me, but this is what they got, so this is what I'm going to spread out. So we'll get the camera set up and we'll go to grading it. Well, it didn't turn out too bad. I still don't know how they get away with this. They just, guess they just take whatever they can bring. And yeah, cars are gonna be driving over this stuff. Steel in it. But beyond me. Got it tracked in. She's ready. Well, it's shutdown time. I just did a little quick walk around and made sure my machine was in good shape. Didn't have any heavy mud on it or anything. No broken parts, and it's got the tracks cleaned and got a little bit of grease on the window, so I'll go ahead and wipe that down. And I'm gonna drop my rippers. And shut this machine down. We'll get this grease cleaned off and call it a day. Alright, got the grease cleaned off my window. Guess a branch must have gotten some grease on my machine somewhere and got it on the window. But anyway, it's time to call it the weekend. Not very often I get a Saturday off, so I'm taking advantage of it. Tracks are cleaned off. This machine having over 8,000 hours on it, it's one of the better kept ones, and I'm fortunate enough that it got passed down to me. Bucket and teeth and everything are in good shape. No hydraulic leaks. Everything looks good on this. Well, cosmetic things, handrail and stuff like that, but it doesn't affect the performance of the machine. So with that being said, we'll call it a day.